Hey kids, that's not a mud puddle. From MBRs in small spaces to sewage on the playground, the June issue of Onsite Installer is packed with industry-exclusive stories. On the cover, a fast-growing, woman-owned business on the edge of Chicago is proving that people skills and technical know-how are a powerful combo, and they're doing 36 installs a year to back it up. Here's how they built it. When you choose Ashland Pump, you're choosing a partner who backs your reputation with every pump you install. American-made quality, dependability, and a commitment to your success. Learn more at ashlandpump.com. Tight lot? Tough regs? Membrane bioreactors might be your ace in the hole. Here's what you need to know before adding MBRs to your install arsenal. A playground surfacing with sewage was the wake-up call for one Arkansas school. Mineco Wastewater Services made history with the state's first commercial membrane bioreactor. See how this ambitious installation came together. Stop digging for answers. Our updated septic tank directory connects you with top septic tank makers across the country: concrete, poly, fiberglass, and more. No room for a drain field? No problem. Check out this case study to see how one installer turned to a compact, high-performance treatment unit that cleaned effluent enough for surface discharge and wrapped the job in just 3 days. Brian Koski started as the first hire at a small septic firm. Now he's leading one of Minnesota's top companies and stepping onto the national stage with Naura. Find out why he thinks the industry's future is brighter than ever. Why dig up and replace a septic system when you can blast through the biomat instead? The new Earthbuster Plus takes rejuvenation deeper, literally, by combining pneumatic soil fracturing with direct additive injection. North Carolina just greenlit funds to fix 400 failing septic systems, and that's just one of several states opening the tap. See if your state is on the list. All that and more is included in your free subscription to Onsite Installer magazine. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next month.